Looking for a toy that's packed with surprises and tons of styling fun? The L.O.L surprise. Curls, 2 crimps. Cora has everything kids need to create head-turning looks. Inside the box, you get over 20 surprises, including Cora herself and a styling head for swapping her hair from bouncy curls to bold crimps. It's all about transforming her style with mix and match fashion pieces, accessories, and even hair tools that actually work with the doll's textures. Her colorful outfits and posable arms let kids express their creativity through endless combinations, while the surprise elements make unboxing exciting from start to finish. If your child loves fashion play, hairstyling, or collecting LOL dolls, Cora delivers hours of imaginative fun in one sparkly package.